Yo, today I decided I was gonna make salmon Alfredo. Let's get started. Yo, you see that I'm cutting up the salmon into bite-sized pieces. I'm gonna use some grapeseed oil, paprika, salmon seasoning, and this honey garlic seasoning. Mix everything together, set it to the side. Got the pasta going. Now it's time to cut up the bell peppers. I'm using yellow, green, and also a sweet onion. So I use those in the long strips so they can be well incorporated when I make the sauce. Adding those to the skillet so they can saute and go ahead and get those cooked down. Oh yeah. So when they're fully cooked down, set those to the side. Add the salmon bites to there. Let those cook for a few minutes. Set those to the side. Now it's time to make the Alfredo sauce. Heavy whipping cream with a little seasonings and a cheese combination. Add the bell peppers back to there with the noodles. Make sure everything is well incorporated. And guess what? Time to eat. Cheers. Oh yeah. I know what I'm talking about.